Mogo Finance, your key to financial freedom? Not quite, but here's the deal. Ever feel like you're constantly on a financial tightrope? Juggling bills, saving for that dream vacation, all while trying to avoid the dreaded overdraft fees? Friend, I've been there. That's why today, we're diving deep into the world of fintech, specifically a platform called Mogo Finance. Now, before you get hyped about some magical money tree app, let's pump the brakes a bit. We'll explore what Mogo Finance is, how it works, and most importantly, if it can truly be your key to financial freedom. What is Mogo Finance? So, what exactly is Mogo Finance? In a nutshell, it's a financial technology company, also known as fintech. They offer a variety of services aimed at making your financial life a little easier. Think of it as a one-stop shop for everyday money management needs. Here's a breakdown of their core offerings. Digital banking. Mogo provides an online bank account so you can ditch the physical branch unless you miss those free lollipops. This means 24/7 access to your money, online bill pay, and potentially some sweet cashback rewards for using your Mogo debit card. Loans and credit building. Struggling to build credit or needing a loan for that unexpected expense? Mogo offers different loan options, and some claim they can even help you build your credit score over time. Investment products. Mogo wants to be your financial partner for the long haul. They offer some investment options to help grow your money over time. Okay, that sounds interesting. How does it work? Signing up for Mogo Finance is pretty straightforward. You can do it all online, and they typically require basic information like your ID and proof of income. Once you're in, you can explore their features like online banking, transferring money, and applying for loans or investment products. Here's a heads up though, like any financial service, there are fees involved. Mogo might charge monthly account fees, transaction fees, or interest rates on loans. It's important to read the fine print carefully before you jump in. Is Mogo Finance the key to financial freedom? Let's be honest, there's no magic bullet for financial freedom. Mogo Finance can be a useful tool, but it's not a guaranteed shortcut to riches. Here are some things to consider. Interest rates. If you're looking at loans, be mindful of the interest rates. They can be high, so borrowing should be a last resort, not a habit. Investment risks. Any investment carries risk. Make sure you understand the risks involved before you invest your hard-earned money through Mogo. Financial discipline. Mogo Finance can be a helpful tool, but it won't magically fix bad spending habits. You still need financial discipline to manage your money effectively. So, is Mogo Finance a game changer? Not necessarily. But it can be a convenient platform for everyday banking, potentially helping you manage your money and build credit responsibly. Just remember, it's a tool, and like any tool, it's up to you to use it wisely. Do your research, understand the fees and risks, and most importantly, develop healthy financial habits. Those are the true keys to unlocking financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.